Is your career ready for the AI revolution? In a world where artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries at a breakneck pace, the fear of being replaced by machines is more real than ever. But there is hope. Certain fields hold strong because they rely on uniquely human skills that AI just can't replicate. Tech pioneer Bill Gates recently shared his thoughts on three careers that experts believe will remain safe from full automation. Whether you are a student trying to pick a major or a professional considering your future path, these insights could help you stay ahead in the age of automation. On a popular late night show, Bill Gates discussed the growing role of AI in everyday life but emphasized that biology is one of the fields where human involvement will always matter. While AI can analyze massive data sets quickly, it lacks the nuanced instinct and creativity that biologists bring to scientific breakthroughs. Gets highlighted how vital is it to have humans create hypotheses and explore ideas that machines can't fully understand or initiate. Reflecting on my own experience in college biology labs, I remember times when following the textbook wasn't enough. It took feelings out the problem, experimenting and trusting gut instinct to arrive at discoveries that were not obvious before. That human's touch can't be mimicked by any AI algorithm. Next on Gates' list was software development, a field where AI certainly lends a helping hand but will never completely replace humans. Sure, machines can debug code faster than we can blink, but what they lack is the creative spark and strategic foresight seasoned programmers bring to a project. From personal experience and debugging and coding, I have had aha moments that come from thinking outside the box or combining ideas in unexpected ways. Gates points out that AI's role is to support programmers, but real innovation needs human directions to adapt and evolve in unpredictable environments. The third area gets mentioned is the energy sector, which deal with the high stakes decisions like managing power grids, operating nuclear facilities, and embracing renewable technologies. AI can process reams of data and forecast patterns, but navigating the complex, ever changing landscape of energy management calls for experienced professionals who can weigh risk and make strategic calls. Gates explained that while AI enhances data analysis, it can't fully grasp the consequence of each decision. This job demands human expertise to maintain safety and keep the system stable. I remember watching a documentary on how energy manager partnered with AI technology to prevent a looming grid overload. A perfect example of human and machine working hand in hand. The lesson here is clear. No matter how advanced AI becomes, human qualities like creativity, intuition, and strategic thinking will remain irreplaceable. These three careers paths embody fields where humans have the upper hand. If you are contemplating your career or looking to make a shift, think about how these roles might match your strengths. More than just job security, they offer opportunities to innovate, lead, and adapt in ways machines can. Have you ever experienced a moment when your instinct or creativity outperformed technology? How do you see yourself navigating the blend of human skills and AI in your career? Your perspective matters. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and spread this message with friends or colleagues weighing their future moves. The conversation about working alongside AI is just getting started, and your voice can help shape it.